Hi, my name is Odalis. Today I will talk about a misleading graph about the top stream artists in the world. The purpose of this presentation is to compare the original graph with the correct graph and explain will misleading graph can affect a company. The new graph shows the real numbers of views for each artist using correct bar signs and a clear scale. The artists stay in the same order because the information did not change. However, the new graph is clearer and more accurate. The original graph has some mistakes. Will the original graph make the differences look very big? The corrected graph shows the information more honestly. For example, Drake and XXXTentacion have similar numbers of view, but the first graph made Drake look much more popular. In contrast, the correct graph uses proportional bars and stars for zero, and the original graph looked more dramatic, but the correct graph is more trustworthy. The correct graph will help the company make better decisions in the future. It will give clearer information to supervisors and workers. The company will also understand the maker better and avoid confusion. In conclusion, misleading graph can create many problems for a company. They can confuse managers, workers, and even customers. For example, a company could believe that one artist is much more successful than the others when the difference is actually small. Because of this, the company could make incorrect business decisions, marketing plans, or sales strategies. On the other hand, a correct graph helps people understand the real information uh, clearly and more honestly. In the future, companies will need accurate graphs to make better decisions and improve their results. And for this reason, it is very important to use correct scales, proportional bars, and real data in very graph presentations. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.